Welcome students. I would like to teach you in this video 9th standard English grammar tenses. Tenses are 12 types. I would like to explain all the 12 types, namely simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. These are the 12 tenses. In this video, I would like to teach you different type of tenses and first type simple present tense. That keywords, how to write a simple present tense and various examples. So let us discuss 9th standard English grammar tenses. There are 12 kinds of tenses, namely simple present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, fourth one is present perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. Likewise, fifth one simple past tense, sixth one past continuous tense, past continuous tense, seventh one past perfect tense, perfect tense, eighth one past perfect continuous tense, continuous tense, ninth one a simple future tense, tenth one future continuous tense, future continuous tense, 11th one future perfect tense, future perfect tense. Our last one is future perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. These are the 12 tenses. Students, I have listed all the 12 kinds of tenses. I would like to explain this in this video. First type simple present tense and various keywords and the method of writing and examples. I would like to explain the first one simple present tense. Simple present present tense method of writing. Method of writing is very essential, students, for understanding the tenses. Method of writing. Method of writing. Method of writing, third person singular. He, she, it. Third person singular. Like he, she, it. He, she, it. Verb plus s or es. Yes or yes. This is very important. For example, sing means sings, go means goes. These are yes or yes. Just to add. Then first person singular plural, second person singular plural, third person plural. Everything we use only verb. For example, I, we, you, they. All these four person we use only verb. Without adding yes or es. For example, go, play, read, like this. Okay. So this is a method of writing. I would like to give you how to find the keyword. So if they give you many examples, among them, how will you find this is present tense? So the keywords are very important to find the tense. I would like to give you keywords which will help you for understanding and also finding the sentence. First one is always keywords. Always, generally, regularly, often, often, seldom, rarely, usually. These are the keywords of finding the simple present tense. So note the students, these keywords are very important. Okay, many keywords are there. Among them, these words are very essential for finding the tense and also for choosing the answer. Always, generally, regularly, often, seldom, rarely, usually. Okay, so these are the keywords. Then I would like to give you some examples. First one, Kala goes to school daily. So you include this daily, every day, every month, every year. Okay, these are the keywords. Daily, every day, like this, every month, every year. These are the keywords. So this Kala is a third person he, she. So I have used here third person singular goes. Go means go is a present form of verb. Just you can add present form of verb yes or es. I have added here yes or yes. Adala முக்கியமானது third person singular என்ன ஆட் பண்ணனும் நம்ம yes or yes ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். இதுதான் நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாம இருக்கும். go னு எழுதுவாங்க. Kala go to school daily. Kala go to school கிடையாது. Kala goes to school. Ramya goes to library every day or every week. So like this. This third person singular நாக்க இப்படி எழுதணும். First person singular plural or second person singular plural, third person plural. இப்படி இருந்துச்சுல just you can write V1 verb. அத மட்டும் எழுதா போதுமானது. I would like to give you second example. I play chess every day. Look at the second example. இந்த இடத்துல என்ன கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல I play. First person singular என்ன ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. I would like to give you third example. We meet the manager, we meet the teacher daily. In this third example, which is the tense, okay, present form of tense, meet, because it's a first person plural. அத என்ன ஆட் பண்ணனும்னா s ஓ es ஆட் பண்ணாம நம்ம எழுதணும். ஓகே, so fourth example, he always sings a song. Look at the fourth example. Third person ல he இருக்குது. இங்க என்ன குரூப் வருது பாருங்க. அப்ப always is a keyword. இங்க இருக்கிற keyword ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. அந்த keyword ஃபாலோ பண்ணா நமக்கு எக்ஸாம்ல கேட்பாங்க. always is simple present tense. So I have underlined here verb இங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க? yes ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன கொடுத்தோம்னா கலர் கோஸ். go வந்து es ஆட் பண்ணனும். மத்த எல்லாரையும் என்ன ஆட் பண்ணி yes ஆட் பண்ணனும். நான் எப்படியே கொடுத்தேன் மெத்தடா படிங்க. தேர்ட் பர்சன் வந்து yes or es ஆட் verb yes ஆட் பண்ணிச்சு. so that இதுதான் நம்மளுடைய இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். நமக்கு டெஸ்ட்லியோ இல்ல எக்ஸாம்லயோ எப்படி கேட்பாங்க சொல்லி எக்ஸர்சைஸா கொஞ்சம் பாப்போம். exercise first one, Vimal dash a picture every day. Look at this first example. The option will give you draw, B option drew, C option draws. So which one is the answer? Draw present tense da, drew is the past tense, draws வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது present தான். ரெண்டு present ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. நமக்கு ரிமைண்டர் என்ன பண்ணுங்க? third person singular he ஆ கன்சிடர் பண்ணனும். இங்க என்ன keyword என்னங்க? everyday is a keyword. இப்போ everyday வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும்? third person singular yes ஆ is ஆட் பண்ணனும். இங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க? verb ஓட yes ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. so that அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுங்க? C option answer, C option draws. so like this இந்த மாதிரி தான் கேட்பாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதணும். look at second example, you dash money regularly. Look at this option, you dash money regularly. E option collect, B option collected, C option has collected. Look at the second option. Second உடைய எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுப்பா. இத பார்த்தா செகண்ட் பர்சன் சிங்குலர், தேர்ட் பர்சன் செகண்ட் பர்சன் ப்ளூரலா கன்சிடர் பண்ணலாம். இங்க பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணாங்க? மெத்தட் பண்ணிக்கல. I V U தேவதக்க verb மட்டும் என்ன போய் பண்ணுது? அப்ப இங்க எப்படிது? collected the past tense has collected கிடையாது. அப்ப among this A option is correct answer. The answer is A, collect. So I once again I remind you students, எத்தனை இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம டென்சஸ் உடைய மொத்த வகை பார்த்தோம். There are 12 tenses are there. Among them I would like to explain the first tense, simple present tense, and also method of writing. Third person எப்படி என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன்? he is வந்து அவரோட s ஆர் es ஆட் பண்ணனும். I V U தேவதக்க verb மட்டும் என்ன பசி ஓகே verb மட்டும் என்ன போதுமானது. and various of keywords are very important. okay once again I remind you the keywords daily, every day, every month, every year, so that the every வந்தாலும் சரி இதெல்லாம் simple present tense. then apart from that always, generally, regularly, often, seldom, rarely, usually இதெல்லாம் வந்து present tense கன்செப்ட் keyword. I have given okay 4 examples and 2 various exercises. இந்த மாதிரி மாடல்ல நம்ம எக்சர்சைஸ் கேட்பாங்க. ஓகே இத நீங்க பாக்கும்போது the first tense present tense புரிஞ்சிருக்க நம்பர். thanks for watching this video. We will discuss another okay title.